Hello everyone. Hi everyone. Good morning. Good morning.
Morning.
All right. So we have yesterday done with the few part on the conditional formatting. We'll just move ahead from where we left. Now let's try to make it a little dynamic, this one. So yesterday what we did is we fixed it up to, if it is equals to Boston, then it should show. Now what I want is, if tomorrow if I mention it as Cambridge somewhere out, it should show me the data corresponding to Cambridge. If it is Marlborough, it should show me Marlborough. Now how we can achieve this particular part? So same thing, what you need to do is conditional formatting, manage the rules. Instead of specifying Boston, specify the location. Now, as soon as I change it to Cambridge, it shows me the data corresponding to Cambridge. You can also make it something interesting here. So with the location as, look for Cambridge to find out salary which is therein. So as soon as I write it as Boston, it gives me Boston. Marlborough gives me Marlborough. Now try this one, please. So what I did is in this case is I have simply changed my previous conditional formatting method, kept everything same. It was written as is equal to Boston. Yeah, Pratyusha, you want to say something? Then I just gave the reference to the BC 3 cell here. Yeah, Pratyusha, you want to say something?
No, that is me. I wanted to rename, but
Sorry,
it was by an accident. Sorry.
your voice is breaking. Come again. Light on. Okay, please try this one, please. Yes, once you're done, just let me know. Okay. Okay, let me repeat the topic again. Now, what we were doing is, okay, if you just remember the yesterday's part, we have done this conditional formatting according to only a specified scenarios. Like we wanted it to show only those records which are Boston. So we have written a formula according to that, and it's written at the top also. Now, what if I need it to be customized as per the user requirement? Now, what does it mean is I want it to show as per my requirement. Let's say if I want to show Marlboro, it should color only those which are Marlboro. If I write Boston, it should show me Boston. The only thing I need to do is wherever I'm writing that Boston cell in the formula, conditional formatting, manage rules, instead of replace writing Boston, replace this Boston thing with the cell address. Now once done, do okay. So as soon as you can see Marlboro it is showing, I replace it with Cambridge. So Cambridge, Marlboro, Marlboro. Now I wanted to, so you can also get it like, you can write SUMIF also, write range criteria, and then sum range. So if I type Boston, it gives me total of Boston and only those which are colored Boston. So Cambridge, give me Cambridge. Marlboro, give me Marlboro. See how effectively I can utilize it. That's it. I just use SUMIF function here. Now this time I wanted to do for female from Boston. So wherever there is a female and a Boston combination, those should be highlighted with the color. Can you please give a try? So we need to satisfy both the scenarios. When both the scenarios need to map, we need to make use of conditional formatting, new rule. I have to ensure it has to be a gender as a female. So first you need to understand what are your comparison columns, as we have done it yesterday. The way, this is the best way to perform it. So first thing, find out what is the comparison column. So in this case, all the genders are specified in all the genders are there in BL and location in BP. So BL and BP are my comparison column. Data starting row is 4th row. So just remember this part. So conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula is equals to and of $BL 4 should be equals to female and $BP4 should be equals to Boston. You can do that, or in place of female and Boston, you can directly select from those respective cells also. BL4 should be equals to female and it should be equals to Boston. And once done, choose the format color, whichever color suits you, choose that and do okay. Now I'll just copy the formula for your try this quick. Yes, Reshma, Soumya, Mansa, Vinay, Pratyusha, Pratishna, Pooja, Pratyusha was there earlier. No. Mr. Vinay. Okay, great. Now next, is this the only thing that conditional formatting can be used? We can use it in multiple ways. So assume the scenario. Uh, let's say I need to do some data entry on routine basis. The idea is, as soon as I write something in any of the boxes, I should get a border in those places. Usually you have to do, every time you have to put a border around the data. Now what we can do is, this is interesting. So I just copied some headers and just normal, or you can write it whatever you want. So select everything first, whole set of columns from the top. Go to conditional formatting. We'll write our own rule. Use a formula. The formula is, very first cell is A1 is equals to A1. If it is not empty, not empty, less than, greater than, double quote, then we'll put a border around it. So just put an outline. Okay, okay. Now as soon as I write something, wherever I write, you can see some borders are placed. Automatically the borders are coming from that. So effectively I'm able to manage this. So select this and conditional formatting, manage rules. And then formula I wrote is, if it is A1 is not equal to empty, then color it. All right, good. I'll show you something interesting. But I've taken some names. Now I'll show you how you can make a calendar also. Okay, the idea is wherever there is a Saturday and Sunday, those should be highlighted because you don't work on Saturdays, Sundays. So let's first try to understand a few components in this. My first column is B column, and then it is checking for C column, then D column, then E column. So means my column is changing, but every time my dates are specified in fourth row. Okay, so $4 basically, and oops. Conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula. I need to highlight Saturday, Sunday. Now, how we can do that? Because it's in the form of date, so weekday. So if you remember, we did this in a date functions. So 1 means Sunday and 7 means Saturday. Okay, so I'll use the same logic. So first we'll go for Sunday. So is equals to weekday of $4. If that is equals to 1, if that is 1, we'll color that as green. It's a holiday for us. See, so 27, 20, and 13. Let's check. Six, 13, 20, and 27. See, we're getting the same amount. Now we need to also ensure like it has to be a Saturday or Sunday. So new rule, we can manage it itself. So either it should be Saturday or Sunday. So weekday should be 1, or either 1 or 7, any of the following. If that happens, color that green. So I wrote something like this. So this will help you in making your calendar, scheduling dates and all things. So if you have a team working on it, you can manage it. And this would be dynamic. So tomorrow if I go for April thing, automatically my week of, simply change the dates here. Yes, this is done for everyone. I guess you can use this one in your regular routine also. Okay, then. So this is your magic table. How you can get a table borders around the data. If you are maintaining some public holidays also, like you can get them as well. So let's say 1st March, 1st April, 31st April.
Ravi,
Yeah, yeah.
I have a small doubt, Ravi. Actually, if we have 2 weekdays like Saturday and Sunday, so we can keep it like that. But if some companies they have holidays on Sunday and Monday, right? So I gave in the formula as 1 and 2,
Yeah.
but it is not coming.
Can you please share the screen?
Okay.
Give me the controller. And you should not select from the names, basically. You should be selected from this place.
Actually, I didn't select it from the name, but it is coming like that.
I'll come to know by clicking on manager rules. You have applied from A3, but it should be from B3. And my first B3, B3. And it should be up to 14th row. See, now it's coming. Because you have shifted your cell from a selection earlier before. That is the reason it was showing for 1 and 7, not for 1 and 2. That is. Now this is correct.
Okay, I'll try once again. If I don't get it again, I'll let you know. Okay.
You should manage your selection. See, my first selection cell here B3 and comparison column is also starting from B3. They should align somehow, either row or column, one of the things should align. You can make it rotational shift also. See, some people may get different week off.
Ravi, we are unable to view
Yeah,
your
yeah, I'm sharing. Wait, madam, wait. In that scenario, so let's say person first week off, week of 1 and week of 2. So he is getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again 1. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, how the formula should be written in this scenario? Again, the selection will start from the date onwards till last. Conditional formatting, manage rules. And it is starting from D29 to AH whatever. Okay. My first week off, it should not be B, it should be D. It should be D. And it should not be 1 here. First week off. Next week off. Oopsie. Some mistake. And every time the first week off is there in B column. So $B. Second is there in C column, so dollar before C. Now once done, do okay. Okay. See how it is working out. Hmm. Some small issue. Oh, it's not 4. My here the dates are specified in 28th row. 28. 28. Yes, now it is pretty much good. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Next one 2 and 3. Next one 3 and 4. So people are getting rotational now. See, every person.
Ravi.
Yes, please.
Could you please use the formula?
You want to see the formula?
Yeah.
Okay. B29, C29. I have freezed my B and C because my week off are constant for all the dates here. So that is the reason only dollar before B and dollar before C. And these dates are specified in. So what is common between all the week of B column? What is common between week of 2? C column. So dollar only before B and dollar before C. My all the dates are in 28th row. So that's the reason dollar before 28. Simple. Yeah, Reshma, this will serve your purpose, what you are actually targeting. And this would be dynamic also. If you just simply do it for March.
Ravi?
Yes.
So actually now like before 2 minutes you have just changed the starting month, like first Jan means it is changing totally, right? How did you do it? It was just very fast, we couldn't understand.
Okay, what I did is I just added +1 to this, to the previous date. Okay, and then just drag from the second onwards till last. So as soon as I make it as 1st August, it changes accordingly.
Okay.
Because again it will add +1 to the previous, automatically it will change. And tomorrow's date, if some new person is added, let's say some new name is added, you just need to just simply drag and you'll just get the setting accordingly. Good. All right then. Hope this is done by everyone. Okay, great. All right. So let's connect tomorrow. We'll start with a new topic and we'll get into pivot table. And then we have a lot of tools. We'll see across those. Then charts, graph. And over a period, we'll see data Bible once we are done with this.
Ravi, before that, I have one thing. Like,
Sorry?
you have shared us a link, right? Zoom meeting link.
Uh-huh.
Like you are updating the classes every day. In that link, like there are only 5 classes till date.
Oh, that video link. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let
Can
me
you
see. I guess I have changed it. Let me see. Once again, I'll just check.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
And also share us the like everyday recorded classes and assessment test. Like if you have.
Yeah. Yesterday I was late to send. I'll do that today. No issues.
Okay, Ravi. Thank you.
Thank you everyone. Okay then. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye, Ravi.
Bye.